Hello, Driving Intelligence followers. Sorry it's been such a long time since I've posted anything to my page. It wasn't without interest or love for all of you, but I finally decided to post a story about what's happened with an F-150. I noticed that the F-150 was having bouncing issues in the front suspension when hitting the brakes rather significantly, or even lightly for that matter. And since the truck had 195,000 miles on it, I decided it was time to replace the shocks because the original equipment was still on the vehicle. This video will explain what I found after inspecting the front suspension area after removing the shock, because the shock showed significant amounts of grease that had splashed up onto the shock during the course of its life. Please follow along and let me know what you think. And while you're at it, please select the like button below and please follow my page.